In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new spreadsheet using your Google Sheets app on your iPhone. So here we have the Sheets app open already, and if you want to start a new spreadsheet, all you have to do would be to tap on that plus sign at the bottom right corner. If you do that, there we have it. We can start a spreadsheet with a template or just a new spreadsheet. If we tap on the new spreadsheet, here it will ask us to rename our spreadsheet first. So compared to when you need to start with a new spreadsheet, the Android version would just go straight to the spreadsheet, but here on the iPhone version, we'll have to start with renaming our spreadsheet first. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's type in Google Sheet Spreadsheet. And there you have it. Once you're done renaming your spreadsheet, just tap on Create. And we have successfully started a new spreadsheet here in our Google Sheets app on our iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.